Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanie and I'm the blogger behind simplelivingmama.com, and in today's video I wanted to show you guys an unboxing of My Father's World curriculum. So for the 2020-2021 school year, we are going to be using kindergarten and Room to Reformation. So I'm going to be doing kindergarten with my 3, 4, and 5-year-old. My 5-year-old is technically the only kindergartner. I know that my other two can tag along. This is what I did with my older kids as well. So, you know, I'm sure as time passes and my 4-year-old moves into kindergarten, I'll pull different resources for her and stuff like that. But I am going to group those three together for right now, okay? I'm excited because the kindergarten curriculum has changed slightly since I used it 6 years ago. They've added a Christmas unit and they've added a Fruit of the Spirit unit. So I am really excited about that. And I had sold my other kindergarten curriculum a few years ago, so I needed to get the new one anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna flip the camera around, I'm gonna show you what's in the box. This is not a review or anything like that. I'm not doing a big flip through or anything. I'm just going to show you what I got, and yeah. Hey guys, so I have looked at it a little bit. I haven't pulled everything out, but I've looked a little, and this is what was in the box. So of course they send the catalogs, which are a lot of fun to look at. You can give them to your friends. This is something that they send. Did you know you are making an eternal difference? When God called us to start My Father's World, it was the commitment to fund Bible translation worldwide, and we have remained true to that commitment. Our nonprofit organization, God's Word for the Nations, focuses on funding Bible translation to advance God's kingdom by communicating His Word into the heart language of all people. That's something that I love about My Father's World. When you purchase your homeschool curriculum new from My Father's World, you are putting God's Word in the waiting hands of hungry souls around the world. So that is awesome. We do have a subscription to, I think it's God's World News, maybe. I don't know. I haven't opened it up yet, but each time you get a new curriculum from them, you get a subscription to that magazine. So okay, let's look at this. So these are the Cuisinart rods, the small group set. I still have our old ones, but I'm sure they're missing several pieces. So this will be a fun math manipulative. This is for the kindergarten curriculum. Then we also have Say Hello to Classical Music. I did need this CD. I'm pretty sure I sold my other one. And then the inflatable world globe. There are more ways to stay connected. So My Father's World is on Facebook and Instagram. They are ramping up their social media presence, I have noticed. So you might want to go give them a shout out or follow over on social media. I do want to talk about these real quick. So this is what you get for free if you use my coupon code. I will have it popped up on the screen and down in the description box. Spend $150 or more and you can get these really cool ocean cookie cutters. We love using cookie cutters for all kinds of things. And then it comes with the ideas of different ways to do this. So it says Voyage of Discovery. So, you know, this is recommended for preschool, but even like my 3rd grader would love to play with these. So you can use these for all sorts of different things. Okay, so here is the new 2nd edition Teacher's Manual, complete kindergarten curriculum. You get 50% off Weekend to Remember. Okay, this is what it is. God's Big World. Okay, so it tells you. And I got something in my email. I just haven't had time to look it over yet. The contents. Weeks 31 to 32. So there's 32 weeks of instruction here. I'm excited. I'm excited to try this Christmas unit and this Fruit of the Spirit unit. And of course the teacher's manuals are so thorough. tell you exactly what to do. They have everything laid out for you. Here's the song that we learned, and this is bringing back so many sweet memories. Park day is listed for day 5. Oh wait, no it's not. So you do 2 weeks of creation, and the 5th day is a park day. Okay, so it looks a little different than the one that they, the last edition, the one that I used before. I'm definitely excited to do this with the kids. And the fun thing is also, my daughter especially, she loves helping with the littles and teaching. So I think if I need her to like do a read aloud or something like that, she could do it for me. Okay, and then week 3. Okay, so it is a 5-day week, right? That's okay. We can make that work. And then all of the week 3 notes. Okay, so I'm not going to show you the whole teacher's manual, but that is sort of a look at that. Now let's see what books are included. Little Jewel Bird. So when I did this and I bought, I think I may have even gotten the deluxe package for kindergarten. It didn't come with all of these books. So Little Jewel Bird, this is a book we do not have. Love You Forever. We do own this book, and y'all, I can't read this book if I'm being honest. I start wailing and crying. It is so sad to me. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this book breaks my heart, but it's included with the curriculum. It's a sweet book, but I have a hard time reading it. The kids just see me bawling. How to Hide a Butterfly. How to Make an Apple Pie and See the World. And of course, I just ordered the basic package this year for kindergarten. So the deluxe package comes with more books. We have God's Creation, A to Z Alphabet flashcards, which is cool because our other set is definitely raggedy. For the children's sake, an awesome book for a new homeschooling mom. This is the book that goes with the Cuisinart rods. So they can build different things with those rods inside this book. Dinosaur book. What really happened to the dinosaurs? Okay, and then here are the student sheets. So I'm only doing the student sheets with my kindergartner this year, and this is a huge pack of student sheets, my goodness. But I think it's because it includes mini books and all kinds of stuff. So remember, this is a complete curriculum for your kindergartner. You do not need to purchase a separate language arts or math. It's all included here. So there we go. Lots and lots of student sheets. All right, I think that's everything for kindergarten. So we're gonna move into Rome to Reformation, which I also only purchased the basic package. The deluxe package came with a castle that you could build, a book about chess, and then some composer stuff. I know the art did not come with Rome to Reformation because you get an art book with Creation to the Greeks, and you're supposed to use that all the way through the family cycle. So we don't have that either. We do different things for those subjects. But I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna take a look at Rome to the Reformation Teacher's Manual. Okay, so they get World Kids. Okay, so it tells you the contents, how the Bible came to us, New Testament overview. And then what you're going to be studying with science, what you're going to be studying with history. This looks so good, y'all. So, so interesting. So we're going to be learning about Crusades. All of that's going to be interesting, especially since we are becoming Catholic. We're going to have a lot to talk about, the kids and I anyway. Shakespeare. Of course, all of the same stuff tells you how to prepare and everything. Teaching tips, book basket, language arts, nature walk and notebook. Week 1. Alrighty, so that is the teacher's manual. I will be teaching, ooh, you guys look, this was some stuff from kindergarten. It was mixed up. Okay, God's Amazing World. This is something new from kindergarten for the kindergartners that we did not have when I last taught kindergarten. So that's neat. I think this is like the science book. That's so cool. That's gonna be awesome. Okay, and then these are the Lori letters, which we needed a new set of these desperately. I think I ended up throwing our old set away because it was missing so many letters. So that is our new set of Lori letters. And here's another book for kindergarten. The Year at Maple Hill Farm. Okay, maybe that's all. I think everything else is around Reformation. So here's the synergy group if you wanted to do this with a group. All right, so we are using the Medieval World Usborne Encyclopedia this year. And I love, love, love the Usborne encyclopedias. So cool. Science. We have the body book. We're going to be studying anatomy and astronomy. So here's the body book. How the Bible came to us. Cool. Make It Work, the Roman Empire, the hands-on approach to history. Now this is like the ancient Egyptian book that's with creation to the Greeks. So lots of different projects that we can do. And I'm really hoping that I'm able to do a few more projects this year than we got done. Well, next year than we got done this year. To go along with anatomy, we have The Wonderful Way Babies Are Made. Okay. Augustus Caesar's World. This is a lot thicker than I thought it was going to be. Interesting. First Encyclopedia of the Human Body. Extra student sheets. Okay, I think I was supposed to have, yeah, they're down there. I have 3 sets of student sheets because I'm gonna have 3 students doing that. Astronomy this year is going to be with Apologia. Now I had done Apologia Astronomy as a science or a summer science course with my kiddos. We had the older Apologia book and we didn't quite finish it, so this one will be interesting to kind of redo it. Okay, Trial and Triumph. Oh, this book is huge too. Okay, Story of the World. This will be something that we are using a lot this year, I believe. Middle Ages. Okay, another human body book. The Human Body for Every Kid. Easy activities that make learning science fun. Exciting ideas, projects, and activities for school, science fairs, and just plain fun. And then Galen and the Gateway to Medicine. Cool. And then there are my extra student sheets. Okay, so I'm still really excited about this. I think we're going to have an amazing school year next year. I'm excited to have everything laid out for me. Of course, this doesn't include our language arts and our math and then our extra art and music, composer study, and all that stuff that we do on the side. But this is our main core curriculum and all of that. And I'm excited. I'm excited to teach kindergarten again. Like I said, it's changed a little bit since I last used it, so really fun. A whole new group of kids to work with as far as, kindergarten stuff goes. So I'm excited. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. Don't forget to use that coupon code to get your free ocean cookie cutters if you are also planning to use My Father's World next year. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.